Alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Yemi Remedy TV. Yeah, I'm back again to your screen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make turmeric with milk. Yeah, turmeric with milk. So it's part of when you're trying to lose weight, guys. So let me explain first. In a pot, just add a milk as much as you want. You add turmeric, then you add black pepper. You know, I told you the last time that why we had in the black pepper, because for your system to be able to absorb the curcum in the turmeric, that's why we're adding it. So in this style, I don't add sugar. It depends on how you want to take it, but you know, you don't take those drinks every day and you think it's going to work. It's just for you to be able to navigate in out of what you want. You know, you maybe take turmeric with milk. It's very beneficial, like in the previous video that I show you guys. If you want to know more about it, you can click on the link on the card that pops out right now. So that's where you're going to see the health benefit of turmeric. So without wasting much of your time, just check it. Just look at how this turmeric milk looks so beautiful. It looks so colorful, it looks so beautiful, and that's why I bring it out for you guys to drink it, what am I saying, to see it. So I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, let it boil together and let them boil together. Let the black pepper, the turmeric, let them talk to each other. And then after boiling, I'm gonna let you know the next thing I'm going to tell you. So did you guys see how it keep boiling together? Just let it boil very well. Let these things talk to each other. So after boiling, and you know, you've it's enough like that. Don't overboil also, so to get the nutrient in the turmeric. So this system that I'm going to use is just to make it cold and to make it foamy on top, you know. So you know, this content doesn't belong to me, as in it is my own. I create the video, but I have seen it with on someone's page, so that's why I tried and it works so good. So that's why I'm just, you know, pouring it and do this and do that, and yeah, it's really good. So I'm going to pour it into my cup and just drink this guy. I really enjoy it. So why am I giving you these different type of drinks and say it helps you lose weight? You know, it's just for you to choose anyone you like. It's not that you will just be drinking one drink every day. You will get bored. So that's why you need to navigate between all this. So just watch out for more videos on drinks, because we're going to drink and drink. Yeah, we're going to drink and drink. So I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'm about to drink it here. You know, I always tell you that I will not come to you and tell you to drink this and drink that while I'm not drinking it. You know, it's hypocrite. Don't be hypocrite, girl, you know. Yeah, this is my mood today, and that's why you guys can see me talking this way. And hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if you like video like this, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.